Okay, so I have two computers in my merged system, and both of them install Vision Labs Luna plugin for face recognition, and both of them connect to the Luna virtual machine where host the database of person. So let's see what will happen when camera failover take effect. What will happen to the video analytics? Okay, so let's move the camera from server 2 to server 1. So we notice there is a hanging for about 3 seconds, so 5 to 6 seconds. Okay, so camera move from like server 2 to server 1, few seconds hanging. So camera fell over. Live streaming continue, recording continue, and also the video analytics also continues to work. And then let's say server 2 back online. So again, few seconds hanging. So video analytics also back online to work. So not only like existing VMS system can benefit from our failover technology, but also a video analytics solution that developed with NX based on a plugin can also benefit from our failover technology as long as we configure the plugin, as long as we configure the network setting properly. Yeah, so both the VMS and the plugins can benefit from our failover technology. Thank you.